Billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. I welcome you all in our today's online session of Power Generation System course. Hope you all are fine and having good health. We start today's session with the continuation of previous session about power generation system and about Pakistan power systems existing system, which are one of them are mentioned in today's slide. So we'll start with today's session from Qaid-e-Azam Solar Power Project in Bahawalpur. In short form, it is called QASP. That is 1,000 megawatt solar power plant and install 100 megawatt. But existing capacity of this plant is 1,000 megawatt, and it is produce electricity and even provide to the national grid. So there are 392,158 solar photovoltaic panels for 100 megawatt and for 225 megawatt each PV panel, which means each of the panel of capacity, which you can see in this array, individual level of uh, solar PV cell have capacity of power 225 watt. 5.2 million photovoltaic panels approximately required for 1000 megawatt in Qaid-e-Azam solar power plant. 500 acres of land for 100 megawatt and 10,000 acres land allocated for 1000 megawatt power plant. So categorically it is service 1000 megawatt to the national grid providing now these days, and it is providing a functionality to the power system as the national grid. Further, we are continuing this session about pros and cons about Qaid-e-Azam solar power project, and the advantages are reducing emission, providing it reduce the emission of carbon dioxide and pollution. Prevention of pollution, we um, more of the time prefer the solar power plant of projects which reduce pollution and reducing the emission of carbon dioxide. Providing livelihoods, the solar park will shrink Pakistan's carbon footprint, displacing about 57,500 tons of coal burn, which means after the generation of thermal power plant, the wastage in sense of byproduct of ash of carbon burn, we most of the time collect in 557,500 tons of coal burn. So it is a challenging issue uh, to fulfill the and to fulfill the wastage of this ash of carbon dioxide. So it is a very big challenge for us. So the count of this wastage of carbon dioxide we eliminate by photovoltaic system, reducing emission by 90,750 tons every year. So it is eliminated by PV systems. So the solar park will eventually generate 15,000 to 33,000 jobs for locals and attracted investment to the region, and investors see the kind of these projects and will coming towards from abroad and other kind of countrywide from Arab countries, Europe countries, and first world, second world countries can see the kind of things and further install a similar kind of projects in our existing power projects. So, if you're moving towards this aspect, the Kaliaram Solar Power Project is a very uh, challenging aspect from its investment, installing capacity, and other kind of aspect. Even uh, most of the people would know about this thing that it's world's first and largest photovoltaic power plant in Pakistan and in all over the country, even in Asian and all over the world. The Qaid-e-Azam solar power plant is the world's largest solar power project in the world up till in the year of 2021. So now, what are the disadvantages? Environmental impact of clean energy. Photovoltaic panels may require little maintenance. They need to keep squeaky clean, means the completely clean aspect. Large scale solar power plants consumes lot of water. We know this thing. The large scale solar power project required a large amount of water for cleaning purpose. An estimated 1 liters of water is used to clean each panel. 1 liter of water need to clean one array of individual cell of 225 watt of solar individual panel required 1 liter of water approximately. So currently 30 people take 10 to 15 days to clean 400,000 photovoltaic panels of 100 megawatt. Even the starting capacity of that Sakadam solar power plant, that would be 100 megawatt. So environmentalists are also concerned about the fate of the 2.5.2 millions of photovoltaic panels which will wear out within 25 years. The panels will have to be recycled to extract the silicon use of make them and then replaced. So most of the people are aware that the life of solar panel would be in between 15 years and 25 years. It depends the quality of solar photovoltaic which you find preferred, install and the use. So approximately 25 years is the maximum capacity of the airs. After 25 years you need to recycle, replace that solar panels. So around approximately the cost of 100 megawatt of photovoltaic panel in sense of 400,000 photovoltaic panels have to be recycled. It's a very big challenge to recycle, replace the even recycle the silicon based photovoltaic solar panels, and it's a very big challenge to how to tackle the kind of thing. So it is, we are not facing the kind of challenge because approximately around 5 to 6 years have been install time of this panel, but after 20 years we will face the kind of this challenge to recycle that silicon based photovoltaic panel. Up till now, any one of you if have any kind of question, please feel free to ask. I will answer your question and resolve your queries. If you have in your mind the kind of queries, please ask. Am I hearable? मेरी आवाज़ आप सबको आ रही है? मेरी स्क्रीन शेयर हो रही है आप सब लोगों से?
जी सर हो रही है।
एक जवाब दे दे मुझे।
यस सर हो रही है,
Yes.
आवाज भी आ रही है, थोड़ी नॉइज आ रही है
आई
सही।
हेरेबल, मैं सुना जा रहा हूँ और मेरी आवाज़ क्लियर आ रही है आप लोगों को? मेरी स्क्रीन शेयर हो रही है?
सर आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही, स्क्रीन शेयर हो रही जरूर, आवाज में थोड़ा सा
बैकग्राउंड नॉइज है सर पीछे से,
बैकग्राउंड नॉइज आ रही है।
So in this slide you can see the so in this picture you can see the solar park is installed in the top top side of the river and to secure the kind of thing. अच्छा, यहाँ ऊपर सरफेस पे प्लेस करने का मकसद सोलर पावर प्लांट में ये होता है कि हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पानी को जो बुखारात में तब्दील होने का अमल है उससे रोक पाते हैं, वरना ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पानी जो है वो बुखारात में सूरज की रोशनी के ज़रिए में तब्दील होगा और ज़्यादा पानी आपका बुखारात में तब्दील होकर ख़त्म हो जाएगा। तो उस चीज़ से प्रिवेंट करने के लिए हम जो टॉप सरफेस है उसको हम प्रिवेंट करते हैं, कवर करते हैं बाय द सोलर एरेज। और इनकी जो कवर्ड केबल हैं आप देख रहे हैं डीसी की केबल्स, वो DC या ECE केबल्स फर्दर फिर हम यहाँ से गुजारते हुए एक माइक्रो ग्रिड के जरिए से उसे कनेक्ट करते हैं. दिस इज द वे. तो further, PBIB, one of the window facilitator created in August 1994, has a one window facilitator on behalf of Government of Pakistan. Its ministries, departments to promote private investments in power sector received stationary status on 6th March 2012 by the Act of Parliament approved independent power producers and executes implementation agreements and provides Government of Pakistan guarantees on the name of President of Pakistan. So, facilitates independent power producers in executing PPA, FSA, GSA, and WUARD regulatory bodies with relevant Government of Pakistan agencies, coordinates liaisons with local and international multilateral development financial institutions. Out of total of 31 IBPs, PPIB managed to induct 29 IBPs totaling 6,142 megawatt with an investment of around 7 million US dollars, attracted leading international local investors and leaders to the Pakistan power sector. Succeeded in commissioning of first hydel IPP in Pakistan and Jammu and Kashmir. As an example, 84 megawatt of new Bong Scape hydropower project. So, up till now, if you have any kind of question or difficulty, you can ask. I will answer the kind of question and resolve your queries. If you have in your mind, please feel free to discuss. If you have any kind of question regarding today's session, please ask.